Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Tuesday 28 May 2024. Today I will trade long Euro, Pound and New Zealand and short the USD Yen and the Swiss. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. First, let's look at the dollar index. Well, busy breaking this big flag pattern or consolidation pattern, whatever you want to call it. Not that it's big at this stage, purely because we sit with a scenario where we still have the moving averages as support. So for now, I will just wait for this to show what it wants to do. Does it want to find support here? Or does it want to break through, retest, and then a counter reversal and then look for shorts? So that's going to be the rock and the hard place we're sitting in between at this stage. We've got the rising trend line taken out. Dollar stays weak on intraday. It stays weak on short term. It's just these two moving averages stopping this thing from falling a lot. So let's see. For now, I stay personally short dollar. You can see there, short term and intraday is definitely short dollar. That's what I want to be, and that's where I am. But I am very, very cautious because of this. You can see how it found support there. It might find support there yet again. We don't know. We never know. So let's hope for the best there. Gold finding resistance right on the halfway mark of the long black candle. That's what they call the sweet spot of the candle. And that's natural resistance for us there. And you can see there, it just didn't close above it. So on the daily charts, I said, if it closes above the halfway mark, I'll consider some longs here. But the problem is it did not close above the halfway mark. So I'm stepping away from it. We did not get a candle reversal there. So not something for me. Nice flag pattern on the daily charts. Testing the 61% fib, 100%, but not convincing reversal. Then Bitcoin, very disappointing. Starting to see a sell-off, but I think it's now the whole Ethereum thing that they've approved the ETF. Bitcoin did the same thing when they approved that ETF. It rallied a little bit and then sold off. And then it came back into play again and big moves after that. So I think Ethereum is just pulling the market slightly down. But it's still scary if you look at the technical picture here. I was really hoping for this to break to new heights. It did not really retest the 61% fib level. Maybe that's what it's after. Don't know. But I'm long, I'm bullish, and I'll stay bullish for a very, very long time. Yeah. Then the Aussie Yen. The Aussie Yen, yesterday I showed you the double bottom. I said to you, close above that intermediate high there. That was a long setup with a stop loss down there. So no problem with that entry there. And the stop loss, 50 to 60 points. Our pips. So we need about 80 to 100 roughly there. If I look at the double bottom target would not be enough for us. I'll have to stick to the swing here that I've used to get into the trade. So that will give us a target of about almost 80 and brings us back to that high. For now, it's good enough. Aussie losing slightly steam, but yen stays very weak, bottom of the pile. So I'll keep going with this. So I think that should be the target roughly. Yeah, and it's around level also, 105, just before the 105. I think that's the area to take some profits there. And the pound yen, pound green zone, yen red zone, bottom of the pile, retracement back of this last directional swing. We're looking for a retest here at the 61% level of this support level here. Then I'll consider some longs. Then the Euro US. We got the flag, we got the break. There was a retest, but no real candle reversal. So we still need that retest. On the mentoring program, we did take a long here because of a different strategy than just the flag pattern. So now I sit in two worlds. I want to see the retracement, but that means I'm going to trail out of that trade at a stop loss, maybe break even or something. I don't know. But that I want this to fly, but I also want this to retrace and give me another entry. Let's see, Euro green zone and then the US red zone. So still good on a retest, counter reversal. I'll consider some longs there. US yen getting a bit iffish, but directional swing retest 50% right at structure here. That'll keep me interested definitely. It seems like a little bit of a consolidation, but US are losing steam, but yen is weaker than the dollar. That's why I'm going bullish here, because of the weak yen, and that's what I'm after. So yeah, pound cat, pound green zone, cat neutral. So I'm after the pound long. I've been missing the pound. I've been really not good getting the pound run this time around, and I've been missing out on it consistently. So still interested on the retracement back to 50 to 61% right at the structure here. I'll still take some longs there. But before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based, 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. In FTSE, yeah, we got a very nice short on our mentoring program, but nonetheless, there we are testing this level now. I'm looking for a strong reversal, so I'm going to need a really good long black candle engulfing all three of these small bodies here. If I zoom in, this needs to close for me personally below this level here. Then it's another 10 points down. Then it would be, I would say it's fine. I need a very, very strong reversal from up there before I can consider any shorts here. We've got a strong pound, so that is stock market bearish. It is a bit against the US markets, which is stock market bullish when I look at the dollar there. So be nimble. Don't be too eager to take to a big position. But a small punt at the market would not be bad at all. In the New Zealand yen, nice breakout. Flat top triangle. We got the break. I showed this to you yesterday. But unfortunately, we did not get the retest. The retests are not doing that well this week and last week. But right, you know, other times it does very well. New Zealand, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile, so that's why I want to be long here. I'm only going to wait for retest. I'm not going to chase it out there. In the Euro Swiss, Euro green zone, Swiss red zone, last directional swing, back 50 to 61% right at structure here. That's what I'm after. If it's going to test there, I'll look for counter reversals and then I'll consider some longs. And my favorite trade idea for today, long on the Euro yen. Now, Euro green zone, yen red zone, and this retracement, you can see resistance, resistance, nice support. We've got 3 awesome positions on our mentoring program. We are long from there and from down here. So we've been riding this trend hectically. But trying to get a retracement here to get some more entries, and that's what I'm after. It needs to test the 50 to 61% level before I will get interested. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.